Hello there. How is it going? Due to the pandemic, we should enjoy home party this Christmas. It will be not exciting, but I won't allow it to get me down because it's an opportunity to have a conversation with our families and to have more cozy time at home than in any crowded restaurant. So I made a Santa doll to decorate on the table at the party. Why don't you make this doll like me so that your visitors will be impressed by it? Give it a go for your happy home party! Now I am showing you our materials. So after you have yours, let's get started. Our next step is download the patterns. Of course, it's free. Next, we are gonna take and put the brown fabrics and skin color fabrics front side together and stitch along the lines except the openings. We need to have some seam allowances when we cut them out. Let's clip those seams because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them front sides out. It's time to turn them. Next, what you want to do is stuff them inside. If you finish stuffing, you can close the opening with letter stitch. Now we are gonna attach the arms and legs on the body. And let us stitch to fix them. Our next step is make the bottom. So now stitch along the lines. Now turn it front sides out. Because we are gonna make the top, so take the front size patterns and we are gonna need some seam allowances. This is the way to make the back side of the pattern. Now we can put the fabrics front sides together and stitch along the lines. Maybe our next step is turn the top front side out. So we are gonna dress up our Santa. Put the cotton beddings on the edges of the sleeves using a glue gun. attach them on the edges of each parts. Next, we're gonna take and cut the felt to make his eyes. Then, the stuffing is gonna be his beard. This time, we can put the red fabrics front sides together and stitch to make his head. See, I drew wrinkles on his forehead with my pencil. It's almost over, guys. Finished. It's not gonna be hard for you to make it because of my free patterns. Thank you for watching me and see you next video. Bye!